In this tip, you will learn basic examples for the built-in JSON module. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it is one of the popular ways to store and retrieve data necessary for functioning of an application. First, let us look at an example of saving a dictionary object to a file. We'll import the JSON module. As an example, consider this dictionary with string keys. We are going to write the contents of this dictionary to a file using the JSON module. So with open, let's say the output file is named as marks.json. We'll use the json.dump method. Marks the object we want to write. F is the output file. We'll also use indent equal to 4. So this is for pretty printing. Let us see how this file looks. So our file name was marks.json. So you can see the contents of this dictionary has been written to this file. Indent equal to 4 gives us pretty printing. Next, let us see how we can read this file and get back a dictionary object. So we can use with open. Our file name is marks.json. We'll use the json.load method and pass this file, and that's it. Let us verify. So you can see the same dictionary that we saved earlier is what we get back. Hope you enjoyed this tip.